Hey, howdy guys, Connor McCaskill here, and I got my hands on the Peter McKinnon Very ND that just came out today. I'm so excited to get into this. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in the box, as well as tell you everything that you need to know about the brand new Peter McKinnon Very ND. So let's get to it. So the first thing I want to say is that PolarPro did not skimp out on the packaging. This thing is gorgeous. You see Peter McKinnon here, of course. There is the VND on the back. Very, very, very nice packaging. And that's just the sleeve. Get rid of that. This is the, oh yeah, it has like a reflectiveness to it. It's very nice. Back, nothing's there. Pull on this little gold tab, lift it up. Very, very nice packaging again. Peter McKinnon photo, of course. You got the Defender case specifically designed for the Peter McKinnon Very ND. Their other ones are actually much thicker than this one. This one here is very thin. Again, specifically designed for the Peter McKinnon one. And this, of course, is the main event. This is what you paid your dollars for. Beautifully made. It's also amazing how small it is. I work on another YouTube channel with Dave Mays, and he was marveling at the fact that this is so much smaller than the competition. It is, in fact, the same size as a regular filter, so that is awesome. There's actually more in the box. So if we remove this foam piece and you have this little card here, open her up. It's got the Peter McKinnon VND 6 to 9 stop, some stickers, a little thank you card, lifetime warranty, really, really awesome. Just some other little odds and ends paper things, you know, whatever, doesn't matter. And you also get this, which is a little case for the filter if you want to keep it in a soft case. I personally do not like these, although the signature on there, all that, that's nice. Last thing in the box, little microfiber cloth. Again, probably Peter's photo, Peter's signature, exactly what you would expect from a Peter McKinnon product. And there you have it. That's everything that's in the box with the PolarPro Peter McKinnon ND filter. Quick disclaimer, I work for the Golden Hour podcast, which is produced by PolarPro and hosted by Dave Mays. And if you don't know, Dave Mays is the host of Kinetica, and I also work for Kinetica. It's a little complicated. That's why I don't make many videos for myself. So there's a disclaimer, do with it as you will. But regardless, this filter is very, very nice. So yeah, this is the results of a Peter McKinnon PolarPro collaboration. This VND is honestly super nice. Like, if you could hold it, you would just feel that, yeah, this is made with very, very good materials. They did not skimp out on anything, and that's kind of why it's a little bit on the expensive side. So to give you a frame of reference, this one right here, the 6 to 9 stop in any size, is gonna run you $299. The 2 to 5 stop filter, on the other hand, is gonna run you $249.99. So a little cheaper there. If you don't have a frame of reference, that sounds expensive, and well, I guess it kind of still is. To be honest, compared to other filters in a similar quality field, there's VNDs that go for $349, which is significantly more than this one. And of course, you can get cheaper ones that are like $100, but you're gonna run into problems. On cheap filters, you're gonna get color shifting and weird cross polarization problems, and this filter just doesn't have those issues. For anyone who doesn't know, essentially a variable ND is just two polarizers kind of like smashed together, and then you can rotate them, giving you different intensities. If you're wanting to buy a filter and you're like, oh man, I can't decide between the two, or it's too expensive for one, maybe I should get the other one, let me just kind of clear it up. 2 to 5 stops is gonna be enough for most everything. It's gonna be better for cloudy weather. It's gonna be better for any slow motion. So if you're shooting at 60 FPS or 120 FPS, you're gonna kind of want the 2 to 5 stop. The 6 to 9 tends to be too dark for a wide margin of different shooting environments. I, however, got the 6 to 9 stop, which is this guy right here, because I live in beautiful sunny California. It's nighttime right now, but I do live in beautiful sunny California. And when you're in direct sunlight, you kind of need the 6 to 9. The 2 to 5 just doesn't cut it anymore. So that's why I got the 6 to 9. Makes more sense for me. So you may be asking, Connor, why do I need a variable ND? I can just buy regular ND. Well, regular ND is actually technically the correct way to do it. So if you want to go ahead and just buy regular ND, have at it. The reason why you would get a variable ND is because it's way, way, way more convenient. If you're shooting in conditions where light is constantly changing, like outside, and you kind of need to be quick, this is kind of the best tool for it. Essentially, you just got multiple NDs built into one. So if your subject is a little bright, well, you just twist it and darken it up. Oh, now it's a little dark. Well, you just turn it right back, and now everything is nice and crisp and properly exposed, which is good. VND, you can just twist it to exactly what you want. It's super duper handy. But anyways, guys, that's just a quick look of the brand new Peter McKinnon VND, which was made by PolarPro. They did an amazing job. Just beautifully made, really awesome materials, and the packaging was very nice.
Very nice.
Let's start up a conversation. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's cool that Peter McKinnon and PolarPro kind of collaborated to make this variable ND? Drop all your thoughts down below. Anyways, guys, I'm Connor McCaskill, and as always, thanks for hanging. That's good. I think I got everything. I probably got everything. Oh, yeah, where's my little duder?